Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this advice to make a few emergency spoon with a plastic bottle, whether of water or soda in case we are in the office, and we only have a few moments to eat, but we do not have covered but access to scissors and a plastic bottle. Or when we go camping, and we forgot the cutlery, and not everything they wear can eat with their hands, or simply so that it is more comfortable to eat it. Let's see what we will need to do them. In this case, we will only need a refreshment plastic bottle and scissors. With that we can make our emergency spoons, and not have to be dealing to eat whatever we bring. Let's see how it is done. We take our scissors and more or less we will cut in the middle of the bottle. Remember that the scissor peak will enter better if we have closed this, and it will be easier to cut it. Since we have cut it, we discard the part where the lid is located and proceed to make the cuts to make our spoons. We will do this from top to bottom, or the part that we cut towards the bottom of the bottle, since there is the part where it has the shape of the spoon, as shown in the video. We grab the scissors and proceed to cut the shape of the spoon as I mentioned them, and since we have finished it, something will be shown on the screen. As you can see, it already has the shape of the spoon, but not yet the strength for that we fold in the middle of the mango, and thus will give strength and stability to this. Already folded will be seen as follows, and we can hold it, and put it to food without worrying that it falls. As can be seen, it looks like a disposable spoon ready to use, and only took us a few minutes. We take the rest of the bottle and make the other spoons if we need it. Just remembering to make the cut from top to bottom, taking into account the shape of the base to have the spoon ready when we cut, and bending in the middle of the mango to give stability and strength to it. That will only take a couple of minutes, and so they will have spoons to share if they wish. If they see that they are left as bouncing in the spoon, they can pass it with a lighter, or in this case with a candle for the entire contour of it, taking care not to leave it long because if you cannot burn or stain as it happened to me with it. But we only clean it a little, and it is ready and smooth to use it, and thus not hurt our mouth when enjoying our food. Here I show you how it can be used like any spoon and hold food perfectly, and you can enjoy their food without the need to use their hands and be all stained, or worse, that others see us eating that way just because we forgot. And apart, they are perfect to take them or do them when we are camp, because they are not very useful. We are recycling, and that is always good to teach the little ones. So try it because they are actually very easy to do. As they could see, with just a plastic bottle of soda or water and scissors or knife, they can make emergency spoons either for the office, a picnic with their family, or when they go camping, and will no longer have problems consuming their food no matter what they are. And best of all, without spending anything in recycling, since the bottle we already had it. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.